Good morning, student. Today we will study about cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the cellular organism, or you can say living organism. It is more complex than virus. Why? Because it is non-cellular organism and it lacks cell or cell-like structure. Robert Hooke was the first scientist who discovered cell in a piece of cork and also coined the word cell, which is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means small compartment. And he also observed cell wall in dead cork cell. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist who observed living cell wall. Now the next topic is type of cell. Cell are of two types, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell have membrane bounded nuclei plus membrane bounded organelles. Endoplasmic reticulums, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria, microbodies and vacuoles are different type of organelles which are suspended in the cytoplasm. The membrane bounded nuclei organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. This is the simple structure of the cell. This is the plasma membrane surrounding the cytoplasm and nucleus. Now we will study about plasma membrane. So this is the simple structure of the plasma membrane. These contain phospholipid bilayer, integral protein, peripheral protein and polysaccharide chain. Plasma membrane is dynamic in nature because of protein and form the external boundaries of cell. It also acts as selectively permeable membrane because some solute cross it easily. And Jonathan Singer and Garth Nicholson proposed fluid mosaic model. Why? Because mosaic arrangement of protein in lipid bilayer and fluid movement of protein and lipid. Now the next topic, lipid bilayer. It is the basic structure of plasma membrane and it is composed of two leaflets. Polar head, this is our polar head, and non-polar tail. This is our non-polar tail. It is hydrophilic head and it is hydrophobic fatty acid tail. ये जो पोलर हेड है वो कंटेन करता है इंट्रा और एक्स्ट्रा सेलर एक्वस फेज, सो इट मेक इट हाइड्रोफिलिक इन नेचर एंड इट इज सर्कुलर इन शेप. और जो नॉन पोलर टेल है वो हाइड्रोफोबिक है नेचर में एंड इट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. सी नाउ वी विल स्टडी थ्री टाइप ऑफ लिपिड प्रेजेंट इन लिपिड bilayer. First one is phospholipid, second is glycolipid, third is esterol. So phospholipid is made up of four component: alcohol, fatty acid, phosphate, alcohol attached to the phosphate. So phospholipid are of two type, glycerophospholipid and sphingophospholipid. On type of alcohol linked to the phosphate, it is divided into different type. It contain glycerol, fatty acid, phosphate and alcohol. If choline linked to the phosphate, it form phosphatidylcholine, and if it linked to the serine, it form phosphatidylserine. Second one is sphingophospholipid. If sphingosine attached to the phosphate, then it forms sphingophospholipid, and sphingomyelin is the most abundant sphingophospholipid. Third is glycolipid. It is carbohydrate containing lipid. And simplest glycolipid is cerebroside and more complex glycolipid is ganglioside. Third one is esterol. Esterol, the basic structure of esterol is steroid nucleus. It contains 4 rings, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 ring with 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, containing 6 carbon, they are hexose, and 1 with 5 carbon, and this is your pentose. Plant lack कोलेस्ट्रॉल. कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो है आपका एनिमल सेल में पाया जाता है, लेकिन प्लांट सेल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल के जगह में स्ट्रॉल का दूसरा फॉर्म पाया जाता है जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं सिग्मा स्ट्रॉल, सीटोस्ट्रॉल एंड कैम्पेस्ट्रॉल. So this is the simple structure of the plasma membrane containing phospholipid. These are the phospholipid. These are protein. These are the internal protein and these are the external protein. And ये जो line like structure है, chain like structure है, इसे glycolipid बोला जाता है. This is the fluid mosaic structure of the plasma membrane. Thank you student for watching my videos, and if you are liking it then please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.